Are you familiar with the problems of an office copier? We're the Copier channel and we sell copiers. So why would we list out the problems? Stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm Marissa with AIS and you're watching the Copier channel. It's really important to know both sides of everything, right? An office copier can provide many solutions for your business, but knowing the problems or challenges of them can help you even more. Learning everything that could go wrong with your copier prepares you for that unfortunate time when the copier breaks down or malfunctions. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about your office technology, the easier it'll be to achieve your business goals. I hate to say it, but a copier does three things really well. They copy, misfeed, and jam. Sounds pretty funny, but I'm sure when it happens, you probably won't be laughing. Misfeeds happen when copier paper is unable to travel through its path properly. Have you ever seen streaks on your paper? When a misfeed occurs, it could mean a few different things. Maybe there's something wrong with the paper itself, or the guides that feed it through. Maybe your copier settings aren't correct, or the toner might need to be replaced or adjusted. Misfeeds are a headache and sometimes tricky to discover because even though the copier might sound fine, your prints could be showing otherwise. Paper jams are one of the most common problems of a copier. A paper jam happens when something is restricting the paper from going through the feeder, and you'll likely hear an unpleasant sound or see a warning pop up on your copier's monitor. The causes? Well, there's a lot, but the most common are old or dusty paper, wrong paper specs, such as size or thickness, the wrong paper settings, drawer alignment, staples, torn edges, worn rollers, or even humidity, just to name a few. So how do you prevent these problems? Unfortunately, you can't always avoid malfunctions. There's always going to be times that a copier jams, and there's always going to be situations when a copier misfeeds. Sometimes there's just no way around it. However, there is a way to make those problems less of a headache and more infrequent. By understanding that these are complex machines, learning the best ways to maintain and care for them puts you in much better shape. When the inevitable happens, you need to be prepared. Your copier provider and their services team is the most important role in maintaining the health of your copier. Let's say your copier is misfeeding and printing out unusual lines, so you place a call to your copier provider. A good copier provider should have no problem with one of their service technicians answering your call as soon as they can to diagnose the problem and potentially fix it over the phone or by scheduling a service call. However, a great copier provider has no problem with their service tech answering your call in 30 minutes or less, and then following up with an on-site visit in 2 hours or less. They might even have a video library of do-it-yourself fixes for common copier problems to get you up and running without even having to come see you. A good copier provider should have no problem getting a call from you to come by and replace your copier toner for you. However, a great copier provider remotely monitors your toner levels and automatically sends you toner, walking you through replacing it or providing you with installation videos so you can even do it yourself. You're probably sensing a pattern here. You need to be prepared for the everyday problems of owning a copier to make sure that you are ready when problems come up. A little preparedness goes a long way and will make you much happier throughout this relationship with your copier and your copier provider. So there you have it. Picking the right copier dealer is all it takes to make those problems of a copier not seem as big. But how do you pick the right provider? What questions do you ask when making such a big decision? Well, you're in luck. We have just the video for you. The 5 best questions to ask your copier dealer before you buy. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so we can take you along with us through tutorials, tech tips, and helpful videos all about your copier. I'm Marissa, and remember, you can worry less with AIS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.